Alrighty, time to take apart the RD. It's gonna be a journey. Taking the paint, or not the paint, the tank, this front fender, and the frame to powder coat and paint. Gotta go sandblast a lot of shit because this thing's a little rough, but it's a lot easier to put the Lego back together after you take it apart. So we'll see. We got her pretty much naked. I should take this video so I don't forget where all the wires go. This thing's crusty though. It's probably sitting outside for a while. High miles. This thing was ridden. That's why the motor is rebuilt and just never put back together. Classic. We got Dirty Dan loading. To cut this shit off because it was restricting me from getting to those head bolts. I don't know how the wizards do it. I don't have a wrench that'll fit in there. Ready to go. Like Christmas, grab my package, files. Yeah, this anyways though.
bringing the rest off.
Well, all this shit is going to paint. Should be chill. Time for paint.